Please subscribe.
New for 2018. The 2018 Ford Expedition has been redesigned and now uses the same aluminum-intensive architecture as the current generation Ford F-150. As a result, the new Expedition is around 300 pounds lighter than its predecessor. Additionally, it also features more multimedia and safety technologies than the model it replaces. Vehicle summary. The 2018 Ford Expedition is a full-size SUV that slots above the three-row, car-based Explorer. Rear-wheel drive is standard and four-wheel drive is optional. In addition to the standard Expedition, a long-wheelbase variant called the Expedition Max replaces the L model. Overview. An updated EcoBoost 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with more power and torque will power the 2018 Expedition, and the 6-speed automatic has been replaced by a new 10-speed unit that first saw duty in the F-150 Raptor. Expect the 2018 Expedition to be able to tow more payload and have a larger cargo capacity than the SUV it replaces. Available features include leather upholstery, Ford Sync 3 infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a rear seat entertainment system, a 12-speaker B&O Play sound system, a panoramic sunroof, and a new advanced cargo manager that features a shelf that lets owners customize the space behind the third row. Safety. The NHTSA and the ICE haven't crash tested the 2018 Expedition. Active safety features and driver aids such as automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist are available. What we think? We haven't driven the 2018 Expedition yet, but we expect it to be quicker and more capable than the model it replaces. Since it's lighter, the new Expedition might also be more efficient and handle better. Platinum models will be more luxurious with chrome accents, 22-inch polished alloy wheels, and quilted leather upholstery. Cool fact. The 2018 Ford Expedition is the third vehicle to use an aluminum-intensive architecture, following the Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks.